Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stevens County in northeastern Georgia, Habersham County in northeastern Georgia, South Central Raven County in northeastern Georgia, Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, Oconee County in upstate South Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles north of Clarksville, Georgia to 11 miles north of Homer, Georgia, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Toccoa, Seneca, Walhalla, Pickens, Clarksville, Central, Cornelia, Liberty, Baldwin, and Westminster. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for northeastern Georgia, western North Carolina, and upstate South Carolina. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. A few trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Storms will be accompanied by brief heavy rainfall and little or no lightning. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Georgia, Habersham, Raven, and Stevens, and the following counties in South Carolina, Oconee. Here is a special weather statement.